Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to online classes children. Today you are going to learn a supplementary, The Farmer and His Daughters. This supplementary story is based on a wealthy farmer and his three daughters. Wealthy farmer means a rich farmer and his three daughters. Okay, come children, let's start today's lesson. The farmer and his daughters. In the village of Manipuram, there lived a wealthy farmer. He had three daughters. All his daughters were married and living their life happily. In a village called Manipuram, there lived a wealthy farmer. Wealthy farmer means a very rich farmer. He had three daughters. How many daughters for the farmer? He had three daughters. All of them are married. I am repeating one more time, students. Very happily. In a village called Manipuram, there lived a very rich farmer and he had three daughters. Okay. The farmer was getting old. He wanted to distribute his wealth to his daughters, but he wanted to know what responsibility he could give to each of his daughters. As the farmer getting old in the sense he become aged. So he wanted to share his wealth. He wanted to distribute his wealth and properties to his daughters. But he wanted to know what all the responsibilities he could give to each of his daughters. So he going to test all his three daughters with a task. Okay. This is very easy supplementary and interesting story, children. It has a very good moral in it. Please listen well, okay? This is about a rich farmer and his three daughters. Okay, children? Now we move on to next one. He called all his daughters and gave each of them a bag of millet. He asked them to use grains in the best way possible, and then come back to him after one year. He called all his three daughters and gave a bag of millet. Millet in the sense it is like a ragi and kelvarag, you know. That means millets. Okay. He gave a bag of millets to all his three daughters and asked them to make use of these millets. He gave how many bags each? He gave 1 bag of millet to each of them and then asked them to come back after 1 year. All the three daughters should use these grains, that is millets, in the best way. After 1 year, the daughters came back to their father's house. The father welcomed all of them. Now the task period is over. 1 year is over and then they all came to their father's house. Father welcomed them. Okay. First, he called the elder daughter and asked about what she had done with the grains given to her. She replied, "Father, I fed those grains to flock of birds that I saw on my way back to home." First, he called the elder daughter and asked her about the grains given to her. What she did with the grains, how she used the grains. Yes, she fed those grains to the flock of birds. Already you learnt about flock of birds. In collective nouns you learned right. So he distributed to the flock of birds, a group of birds. Then the father called the second daughter and asked the same. She replied, "Father, I thought those grains were scared. So I mixed those with other grains kept for community food service so that everyone could have it." And father called the second daughter and asked the same question, what she did with the grains given to her. She replied that she mixed the grains kept for community food service. Community food service means for social food service. She mixed those grains, then only all the people will get the grains. In village side and all, they provide some community food service. So she mixed those grains to community food service. And about third daughter, we will see in the next class. Okay? Till that, think of it. Okay? Now we move on to meanings of this supplementary. Distribute, give a share. Giving a share, that is distributing. Second one is responsibility. Responsibility means power. Third one is millet. Millet means a cereal grown in warm countries. Skade. Skade means very holy, very divine. Harvest means yield. And then sixth one is wisely, very cleverly. These are all the 6 meanings you have in your supplementary. Okay, children? Please learn it thoroughly. This is your today's assignment. Okay, children? You are going to write meanings 2 times and also fill in the blanks 2 times. Now we are going to cover the match the following. What did the first daughter did? First daughter fed the birds. Is it? Where is that option? See here. The option is given in the last box. Is it? So first daughter gave food to the birds. So feeds the birds. And what did second daughter did with the grains? She mixed for community food service. And now we move on to fill in the blanks. The farmer had dash daughters, 3 daughters. Second one is he offered dash to his daughters. What the father offered to the daughters? He offered millet. Is it? Okay, good. And then third one is the first daughter dash to a flock of birds, fed. She fed the grains to a flock of birds. So today your assignment will be, you are going to write meanings and the fill in the blanks 2 times. Read carefully. Please understand this story. If you have any doubts, you can clarify with me through your class groups. Okay, children? So please be careful and be attentive. Do response for your assignments. Okay? Thank you very much, children.